I thought I was doing everything right, but after 3 months, my channel is still struggling. If you're feeling stuck too, let's talk about it. When I started, I thought it was that easy. I mean, I would just post videos and people would rush in, but trust me, YouTube showed me another side of life. Views, zero. Engagement, dead. I even changed thumbnails, posted consistently, but nothing happened. But then I realized something. YouTube does not just push videos because you put in effort. YouTube only pushes videos that keeps people watching till the end. And guess what? My videos, people were clicking and leaving almost immediately. You see, sub for sub. I always advise people to avoid sub for sub, except you want to get your 1,000 subscribers in 2 minutes. Why did I say this? A lot of viewers who subscribe to your channel via sub for sub, or YouTubers like you and I who subscribe to our channels via sub for sub, are only interested in our subs. Okay, just imagine this person subscribed to your channel because they want your subscription right back, and then you subscribe to theirs. And then as time goes up, they notice that your videos are not actually what they like to watch. What would they do? They will unsubscribe to that particular channel, and that will make you lose subscribers. Okay, whenever you post, these people don't watch. So it makes you lose subscribers, even when your numbers are high. And when YouTube notices these subscribers, your viewers are not interested in your videos, they remove these inactive subscribers and make you lose counts of subscribers. I know it's not easy to grow here on YouTube. Even myself, I'm also struggling. It is not easy, but I would advise that you try to grow organically. Post your content, be you, and trust me, those who are interested in that particular kind of content will subscribe to your channel, and whenever you upload any video, they would want to watch till the end. That is how you gain organic subscribers, though it's going to take a very long while to get these organic subscribers, but trust me, at the end, it's worth it. So because I wasn't growing, I actually started experimenting. And here is what is actually helping me little by little. No long intros. I go straight to the point. Immediately my video starts. There's no time to start introducing myself. Hello people, welcome to my channel. People don't have that time. You go straight to the point. Tell them what this video is about. That keeps them watching. And also I started using curiosity-driven titles. Other than just the usual boring titles, I try to create titles that will make people actually want to click and see what I'm actually talking about or what that video is about. Better editing. I know I'm still struggling with editing, but upgrading your editing skills can actually help to keep people watching. You know, adding things like zoom ins, fast cuts, and sound effects will actually keep people engaged to your channel. Then trying different thumbnails. I try to use different thumbnails, not just beautiful thumbnails, but thumbnails that will make people curious and actually want to click on that particular video to see what it's about. So let me talk about my results so far. I'm still growing, but it's working. Okay, since I started applying these changes to my channel, I noticed my views have started increasing, though I'm still struggling, but I know with time I'm going to get there. But at least now I'm seeing what is working for me and what is not working. Okay, I'm just trying to put the right things in place, okay, to help my channel grow. If you're also feeling stuck as a new YouTuber, try this and let's all grow together. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, I'll advise you watch my next video because I'm going to drop more useful tips that helps YouTubers to actually grow their new channel. If you found this video helpful, please drop a comment in the comment section, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next one.